Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the blog. It's your boy Jay Spence and this is Jay Spence TV, along with the cold start of the 2008 Mazda Speed 3 stock exhaust. What is going on, everybody? So it's a new video, new blog. Actually just gonna go over the Speed 3. I actually really enjoy the car. I'm very happy with it. And with that being said, the last video I did talk about how I installed the electronic boost control solenoid, and you know, I was only hitting up to about 9 or 10 pounds of boost, I believe. Well, I actually did fix it, so let me show you what the issue was. The issue was actually the blow-off valve. If it loosens, you can loosen it, tighten it, and it was actually loose and open, and it was causing the air pressure to come out. So once I tightened it, I was able to build the boost up. So now I'm running within normal parameters, and it drives great now. So let's get to it. Let's get on the drive and go wash the car because it's bird shit on the window, and it's been like 3 or 4 weeks since I washed. Now you can tell that it's dirty. It doesn't look glossy anymore. And I'm back. I'm at the car wash. I tried vlogging while driving because I don't have my GoPro. I guess the battery's dead or something. So I decided to use a camera, but that wasn't a good idea. Nor is it safe, and it's really difficult to drive with your left hand with the camera and then shift with your right. You still gotta hold the steering wheel. So I ended up just saying forget about it. I'll figure out how to use my mount with the camera. But I'm here at the car wash. Mainly, I want to get that off. I mean, I could have done it at home, but the car did need wash. And we're back, guys. The car's clean. I'm actually about to run a few errands, but talk about this car. The 2.3 turbo, this shit is amazing. And it roars. I love this shit, you know. My only downside is front wheel drive. It is ridiculous. The whole torque steer thing, I didn't really realize that it was gonna be an issue until I fixed everything and I started getting on boost a lot, and that's when I realized that torque steer is imminent. But as for power delivery, it is absolutely perfect. Me personally, I don't think there's any more I would want to do to the car, whether it's like a catless or catalytic downpipe, actual exhaust itself, a catback, front mount. I thought about doing those things, but the power delivery is, to me, I wouldn't change anything about it. So that's this car in a nutshell. Other things, the IS300. So I might be getting another IS300 for the channel, but that one's going to be the actual project car. The other one is going to get scrapped because I realized I need more pieces for the car than I thought. As for like the front bumper assembly, the headlights, all that, you know, it's going to require a lot more work to get everything going, especially for the wide body. So I got offered from a guy I sold some tail lights to a while back. He has an IS300 with 147,000 miles. It's an 04, in great condition, minus the rear bumper is kind of scratchy and whatnot, but it's in a lot better condition than the other one. He wants $2,500 for the car, which is not bad. So scrap that other car, use this one, and then part out some of the things like the engine, the fenders, some of the interior. So I mean, I could make some money back off of it, but that's not my goal. It's just what's more of a convenient issue for me. So therefore, I'm gonna look for the car. And along with that, there might be another car as well, because I'm a car guy. It's hard for me to stay satisfied with one car, if that makes sense. So I will be looking at possibly something Toyota, whether it's a 3IS, 2IS, a 4GS, or maybe a WRX, a newer one. So the options are on the table, and with that happening, I will be getting rid of this car. It's not something that I'm like really big on, but it's something for me to have, and it's kind of hard having 3 cars as it is. But you know, that's the thing about being a car guy. Until you find that one car that makes you satisfied enough to where you don't feel like changing the cars every so often. Like, I think this is about probably my 5th or 6th vehicle in the past 3 years. I had the F-150, a 1IS, the other 1IS, the Honda, which you guys haven't seen. That's why I don't have the truck anymore. I'll post a video on that next. This car, my 3IS that was totaled, and I'll post that. You know what? Next video should just be a video overview of my car history. Because I've been through a lot of cars in these past few years, and I feel like this next car should just be my last car until I get another truck, which those 2022s Toyota Tundras, man, those look immaculate. I want one, or possibly the Toyota Sequoia, but we'll see. I'm gonna go run some errands, and I'll get back to you guys one last time. We are back once again and one last time. Thanks for watching the video, and also if you've been watching since the first video, thank you a lot. It means a lot to me, and I want to keep trying to grow this channel. Like I said, I'm a car guy, It's my one true passion is working on cars, car events, all that. That's who I am. But stay safe out there, and until the next video.
Alright.